Good morning to all of you. Now I will discuss the center of circle of curvature. Center of circle of curvature. So consider the circle of curvature with center alpha comma beta. Consider the circle of curvature with center alpha comma beta. The normal at point P x comma y. The normal at point P at point P x comma y, which passes through the center C. Okay, which passes through the center C, which passes through the which passes which passes through the center C alpha comma beta. Okay, so consider the circle of curvature with center C alpha comma beta. The normal at point P x comma y. So the point P is on the curve which passes through the center C alpha comma beta. So finally the normal is passes through the center. So observe here, observe clearly here is the curve, is one curve. So at here point is I am indicating the A is the initial point. Okay, is the point P. P is point is x comma y. P is x comma y. So draw one tangent line at point P. The tangent line is passes through the P. Okay, that means the tangent line is at the point P, which crosses the x-axis. The intersection point at x-axis makes an angle. That angle is indicated with the theta or alpha. So here I want to write the theta. Theta is the angle between tangent line and positive direction of x-axis. So theta is the angle between tangent line and positive direction of x-axis. Is the x-axis is the tangent line. Okay, is the x-axis and is the tangent line. Is the theta angle between the tangent line and x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis. So positive direction of x-axis. Okay. So first of all, so consider the circle of curvature with center C. That center is I am indicating the here. Okay, is the center of circle of curvature. Okay, is the center say C alpha comma beta. Next, the normal at point P, which passes through the center C. Okay, normal at point P, which passes through the center C, is the normal at point P. Okay, which passes through the center C. Next, draw perpendicular line. Draw perpendicular line, perpendicular NP. Okay, perpendicular NP to the AC. Okay, AC is the line, is the C. A. Okay, so is the perpendicular to the AC. Here N. Okay, so draw perpendicular NP to the AC. So NP is the perpendicular to the AC. Okay, here 90 degrees. Is the theta is which is exactly equal to the here theta. Okay, theta. Now is the point on the x-axis I am indicating with the B. Okay, B. So is the origin. So origin A and B. So observe clearly in this graph. So in this diagram. So AB which is equal to the NP. Okay, AB is equal to the NP and the AN which is equal to the BP. AN is equal to the BP and OA which can be written as alpha is center because C is center, alpha comma beta. So alpha means the x coordinate value is alpha and y coordinate value is beta. Okay, this distance is beta and this distance is the alpha. Okay, alpha and beta. So you know the O to B distance is x. O to B is x because of point P x comma y. That means x intercept is x and y intercept is the y. Okay, now y intercept is the y. This distance is y. Okay, so finally from that diagram OA which is equal to the OA which is equal to the OB minus AB. OB minus AB. Okay, now OB minus AB. So OB is equal to the x. So which is equal to x minus AB. So AB is exactly equal to the NP or not? Yes, which is equal to NP. Okay, which is equal to the NP. Next, OB first of all. So is the OA value. Next, I require beta value. Okay, AC. AC which is equal to AC, CAR AC is exactly equal to the, so what will the value? AN plus NC. AN plus NC. Okay, now this is the distance. Okay, CA is equal to AN plus NC. You know, AN is equal to the BP or not? Yes, which is BP. So BP plus NC. So BP value is, BP is equal to Y. So Y plus NC. Y plus NC is first one and is the second one. CA is the first one and is the second one from the graph. So observe clearly is the right angle triangle. Okay, na? Is the right angle triangle. So from that right angle triangle, from that right angle triangle, from the right angle triangle, we can write sin theta which is equal to is the theta. So opposite side by hypotenuse, that is NP by CP. NP by CP. Okay, NP by CP. So I require only NP. So from which NP is equal to CP into sin theta. CP into sin theta. So CP, you know the C is the center. Okay, is the normal. That CP is the radius of curvature of the given circle. Okay, so center of the circle of curvature we have to determine. So you know the C is the center means C to P is the distance. The distance is called the radius of curvature. That radius of curvature is radius of curvature. Curvature rho is equal to CP or PC. Okay, so you substitute PC equal to rho. So finally NP is equal to rho into sin theta. Okay, rho into sin theta. Same similarly cos theta equal to, so from the right angle cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse, that is NC by CP. NC by CP, which implies I require only NC. NC is equal to CP into cos theta. Okay, so CP is the rho. So rho into cos theta. Rho means radius of curvature. So substitute NP value and NC value in the given two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. So in these two equations substitute that value. So finally OA is equal to, OA means alpha comma beta center. OA is alpha value and O to C is, O to, suppose here point, and A to C is the beta. Okay, so finally OA equal to alpha. Alpha is equal, OA means alpha. Okay, which is equal to alpha. Second one is equal to the beta. So finally alpha is equal to, alpha means, so x coordinate. So x coordinate alpha. Alpha is equal to, you can write from the equation 1 x minus NP. NP value is rho into sin theta. Rho into sin theta. Okay. Next beta. Beta equal to y plus from the second one. So y plus NC. NC is equal to rho into cos theta. Okay, rho into sin theta and rho into cos theta. So these two are alpha comma beta. Center C equal to center C alpha comma beta, which is equal to x minus rho sin theta. Next y plus rho cos theta. Y plus rho cos theta. These two are expressions for the alpha comma beta, center of curvature of the circle, center of circle of curvature. Okay, so next we can express another words also, alpha and beta. Okay, alpha and theta is the tangent angle makes with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, so we can write tangent tan theta equal to, okay, tan theta equal to y dash, derivation term y dash. So y dash means dy by dx. Okay na, so whole by 1. What means y dash by 1 is the right angle triangle. Okay, so finally is the hypotenuse is under root 1 plus y dash square, because of so opposite side is y dash and so base is the 1. Okay, is 1 and is y dash. So finally hypotenuse we can write, so from the right angle triangle we can determine hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equal to under root of so base square plus opposite side. So finally 1 plus y dash square. Okay na? So from this sin theta equal to is the theta. Okay, sin theta equal to, so tell me, so y dash by under root, y dash by under root 1 plus y dash square. Next cos theta equal to, cos theta is equal to, sin theta is y dash by under root 1 plus y dash square. Cos theta equal to 1 by under root 1 plus y dash square. Okay, so you can substitute these two values also in the given alpha comma beta. If you substitute, what will happen? Alpha is equal to x minus rho means, you know the radius of curvature, rho is equal to y dash square plus 1 whole to the power of 3 by 2 by y double dash. You know the curvature k equal to y double dash by 1 plus y dash square whole to the power of 3 by 2. So curvature k equal to 1 by rho. You can write rho is equal to 1 by k. So final rho value 1 plus y dash square whole power 3 by 2 by denominator is y second derivative term. If you substitute rho value and sin theta and cos theta in the alpha comma beta, so finally we get x, okay, x into is the value x, which is equal to x minus rho value is 1 plus y dash square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by y double dash into sin theta value is y dash by under root 1 plus y dash square. Okay, by derivative power 2. So here whole power 3 by 2, here denominator is power 1 by 2, root means 1 by 2. So 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 value is 2 by 2, 2 by 2 value is 1. That means numerator term is the 1 plus y dash power 2 only. Okay, so we can write which is equal to, first alpha is equal to alpha value, so x minus y dash, first term y dash by y double dash 1 plus y dash square. Okay, 1 plus y dash power 2, 1 plus y dash power 2 is the alpha value. That can be written as x minus y dash by y double dash is function of x. Okay, next 1 plus y dash power 2, y dash power 2. Next similarly same as you can write beta. So beta equal to, so is it beta, so beta is equal to here from this y plus, so rho values we can write 1 plus y dash power 2 whole power 3 by 2 by y double dash. Next cos theta values 1 by 1 plus y dash square whole power 1 by 2. So simply we can expand this value, we can simplify this value is y plus, okay, y plus, so numerator denominator will be cancelled. After simplification you get the numerator 1 plus y dash square only, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 2 by 2, 2 by 2 values you can cancel 2 2. So finally you will get the numerator is power 1, that value is 1 plus y dash power 2 by y double dash is the beta. So simply we can write alpha is equal to alpha and beta. Alpha is equal to, what is the value, alpha value, alpha is equal to x minus, okay na, x minus y dash by y double dash into 1 plus y dash power 2. Next beta is equal to 1 plus, okay, 1 plus, tell me, 1 plus y dash power 2 by y double dash is the beta value. Beta equal, beta means the center of center of curvature of the circle. Okay, center of circle of curvature alpha comma beta. So alpha value is the formula and beta value is the formula. If the curve in the form of, okay, if the curve in the form of Cartesian, so in this case center is C is alpha comma beta. So where alpha equal to x minus y dash by y double dash into 1 plus y dash power 2. Next beta is y plus 1 plus y dash power 2 by y double dash value. Okay, so this is the procedure. You can formulate the center of circle of curvature. Okay, this is the procedure. You can formulate the center of circle of the curvature. Okay, so observe here, C is the center. Okay, P is the point on the curve. Draw a one tangent line which makes the theta is angle. So normal at point P which is passes through the center. Say NP is the perpendicular to the CA or AC. Okay na? So CP is the radius of curvature. Is the radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. C is the center. Okay, C is the center. Okay, right. So this is the procedure finally. So you should keep on your mind. So alpha comma beta is the center. So alpha is formula and beta is the formula. So you can solve the, so any curve you can determine the center for that curvature of the circle and radius for the curvature of the circle. Okay na? If you know center and radius of the curvature of the given circle, okay, circle of curvature, then you can write that circle. You can write the equation for that circle. That means alpha comma beta is the center and you know rho is the radius of curvature. Is the radius of curvature and is the center. Possible to draw one circle with that center and radius is CB is the circle. Okay. If possible, you can draw like this. If possible, you can draw like this. So that maybe is not accurate. So finally, I feel like, so is the circle is the center. Okay na? Is the center. Is the center. Okay. Thank you.